Lent in the Philippines is a sacred and deeply meaningful season. It begins on Ash Wednesday and lasts for 40 days, leading to Easter Sunday. For millions of Filipino Catholics, it is a time of prayer, fasting, and reflection. One common tradition is Visita Iglesia, where devotees visit 7 churches to pray. Another is the Pabasa ng Pasyon, the chanting of the story of Jesus' life and suffering. During Holy Week, churches hold processions and special masses. Good Friday is the most solemn day, remembering the sacrifice of Christ. In San Fernando, some devotees reenact Christ's suffering as an act of faith. Black Saturday is quiet and reflective. Then on Easter Sunday, celebrations begin with the Salubong, symbolizing hope and new life. Lent in the Philippines is not just tradition, it is faith, sacrifice, and devotion.